Getting web hosting from Godaddy is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, go to the Godaddy website and click on the Web Hosting tab. From there, you will be presented with a variety of web hosting plans to choose from, including Economy, Deluxe, and Ultimate plans. Each plan offers different features such as storage space, bandwidth, and email accounts. Choose a plan that suits your needs and click on the Select button. You will then be asked to register a domain name or use an existing one. If you don't have a domain name, you can register one with Godaddy by typing in your desired domain name and checking if it's available. If it's available, you can proceed to register it. Once you have your domain name, you will be asked to create an account with Godaddy. This will require you to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and password. After creating your account, you will be taken to the payment page where you can pay for your web hosting plan using a credit card or other payment methods. After making the payment, your web hosting account will be set up and you will receive an email with your account details. You can then use these details to log into your account and start setting up your website. Godaddy offers a variety of tools and features to help you get started, including a website builder and a control panel. To set up your website, you can use the website builder to create a new website or upload your existing website to Godaddy. The control panel allows you to manage your website, email accounts, and other features of your web hosting plan. You can also use the control panel to install scripts and software, such as WordPress, to create a more complex website. Overall, getting web hosting from Godaddy is a simple and straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps, you can get your website up and running quickly and easily.